Good evening, my name is Christian Camilo and this is the phonetic alphabet. Now let's take a look at this. We have getting to know the IPA, the International Phonetic Alphabet. Now it is divided into consonants, vowels and diphthongs. So I need to do this a little bit faster. So we are going to start by pronouncing the consonants. We have those two first symbols which are similar but with slight differences. This one is like thank you, think. This one has a vibration, that, then. This is the labidental V, volume, value, volunteer. This is a rhotic R, and in some accents it is non-rhotic, but it depends on the position. At the beginning, write, remember, but at the beginning, remember, is a short sound. Now, these and these two are pretty similar. This is sh, and this one is cha. For example, wash with your hands, watch with your eyes. Wash, watch. This is a j, and this one is j. J, j. Vision, vision. Giant, join. We have the ng sound like um. For example, long, bang. And this is a glottal sound. Ha, ha. It was like hospital. So remember, thank you, that, volume, right, fish or shoot, mission, choice, joint, long, hospital. Then we have vowels, the long E and the short A. For this one, E, feet, cheap. For this one, A shorter, A. Notice the shape of my mouth, A. Cheap, chip. Feet, fit. Now we have the hen, hen. Then we have this a. In British, it would be a. In American, it would be air, like cat. Cat, cat. Notice the difference. Now this is a longer R. Car, park. And this is like a common O, not. And this other O is more rounded and is longer. Court, course. This U and this other U are different because this one is rounded and is shorter. And this one is longer. This one would be to, shoe, but this one would be put, what, could. Diphthongs, they are easy. Ah, I forgot this vowel. This is ah. Like it was like love, love, I love you. And this other sound is like a schwa, longer, work, turn. And this schwa, our most common symbol, it was like about, about. It's a relaxed sound in your mouth, about. Now in diphthongs we have A, and this is simple because we already know the A and the E. A, lay, game. This is I, fight, climb. This is this one, O, but with the A. Toy, toy. This one is ow. Words like out, out. This other sound is schwa with the O. For most American, it would be O, goal. But for British people, with this symbol would be O, go, no. Now this one is really easy. Ear, ear, ear. Was like ear. You listen, you hear with your ear. And finally we have ua. It was like tour. If it were American, it would say tour. But in British accent, it is tour. And that's all. Thank you so much.